Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a cool sprint script. It's not really going to be advanced with like tween service, cause some bugs are just gonna occur. I tried to like record myself actually doing the tween service, but we're not gonna be able to do that. So first we've got to get the player. Oh, and also make sure your local script is in the starter character scripts. You can name the script whatever you want, so it doesn't really matter. But we gotta get the player first. So like local player, again the player's that local player. So now we have the player, and we can now get the character from the player. Now what I did here is that I took the player, like I took the character from the player, and I made it so that if the character is not loaded yet, that it can wait. Now we gotta get the humanoid. Now we're gonna wait for the humanoid to also exist into the character. Now we need local user input service. User input service basically allows us to like put in a keybind, right? So that the input can be triggered. And it is a service, so we gotta do game get service, user input service. So like this may be handy if you're like trying to make for example a crouch system, and you just kind of want to add user input service. This is very good for like triggering something if a keybind is pressed. This is very good for it, and you're just probably gonna learn how to use it after I show you this. So like first user input service that input began. So like the input has begun. So like the input has just started, and then if the key code is enum.keycode left shift. You can set it to whenever you want when you're just trying to make your own something. Yeah, I don't know. But like then we're gonna do start walk speed. And here you can just put in anything you want, anything like you want to like trigger something. For example, you want to change your humanoid's walk speed, right? You can do that. But like yeah, you can basically put in anything here. You can just put in here anything, right? And then it will trigger with the keybind that is required. So now we're going to make it so that if the input has ended, it will just put your walk speed to its original state. So instead of input began, we're gonna put in input ended, and just set it back to 16. That's our original walk speed. Now, according to the script, it should work, or just according to my theory, of course. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going faster. Now there is a problem with the shift lock, but yeah, if it works, then it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye bye.